Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about the while loop. So the agenda for this loop is gonna be while loop. So while loop. So let me start one index, or let's say a counter. Counter is just a variable which I am just starting with 1, and then I'll say while counter is less than 11, print counter, and then I will add counter plus equals to 1. So this is again a way how we can so this is basically this is equal to this operation is equal to counter plus 1. So to minimize it, I can use it equal to plus equals to. That's a simplistic way of doing it. I want you to use this. Okay, so now you see there is a condition here. So while this is true, the loop will run. The moment this condition become false, the loop will end. So basically once you run this, you will see 0 1 2 3 4, and the moment it become 11, which is the false condition of the loop, it has basically it basically what we can say came out of the loop. So that's all about the while loop. See you in another video.